So today we'll be looking into how to install a VScode. VScode is one of my favorite code editor and I use it to write all my codes. So let's see how to install it. First go to Google and type VS Code. Once we type VS Code, we'll get into the system. And here we have the option for a different OS. Since I'm using Windows, I'll directly click on my Windows. And then I'll save it. Yeah. Once it's downloaded, so we have a bunch of rules to read, and anyhow we'll accept it. And then select the location where we want to download the VS Code. And then you select wherever you want to see the VS Code accessible. So I want it on my desktop, hence I've clicked on create a desktop icon. And now the installation begins. So once the installation is done, we have some of the settings which we can select, like either I want it in a light mode, dark mode, or contrast, anything. I prefer dark mode. And then here some of the settings, if we want, we can select. And then the VS Code is installed. So why I use VS Code is because it helps me to write my code. Like whenever I start writing my code, it detects it and it makes some auto suggestions. Like so which makes it easy to write my code. That's why I choose VS Code. And not only VS Code, there are many other code editors which does that, but I'm comfortable with VS Code. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.